Hi, I'm Janina at Glow Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our hydrating primer. Hydrate, condition, and prep skin with this lightweight water-based makeup primer. Perfect for tired, dull, or dry skin in need of a pick-me-up. It boosts skin's moisture, creating a smoother, hydrated canvas, helping foundation apply more evenly and last longer. Powered by hydration heavy hitter hyaluronic acid, it has added antioxidant protection from mango and pomegranate extracts, plus gardenia to help boost skin's elasticity and suppleness. Instantly cooling skin, it cushions and replenishes for a smoother foundation application, preventing any clinging or caking and imparting a deliciously dewy finish. Dispense a pea-size amount onto clean fingertips or back of hand, then swatch onto skin. Can be applied to full face or used to target areas in need of extra hydration and glow. Blend with fingertips or your favorite Glow Skin Beauty complexion tool. Just add your favorite foundation and see how smoothly and seamlessly it applies. This hydrating primer is a game changer for dry skin. No more foundation caking or clinging to dry spots, just beautifully cushioned and smooth, primed skin. And the best part? Your makeup will stay flawlessly in place for longer.